So we are in Barcelona right now, walking, trying to find the trolley.
No one cares.
We know you're not just a bystander. You're the only one speaking English. Anyway.
Sure. Get me out of here. Oh.
Nobody cares about you. You're wow.
Your face.
I was like, wait, what? Anyway. The biggest museum in the world right now. So we're going to see the Mona Lisa, some Greek sculptures, Roman sculptures, Islamic art, Egyptian art. Okay, these are sculptures from the French-Dutch War, or at least this one is. Now this one is Dutch Republic, the Holy Roman Empire. And then this one is the conquest of Franche-Comté. I don't know, I'm just gonna show it to you. Second conquest of that thing. This, or I like this one. A Jerry curl, okay. Spain recognizes the precedence of France. Hey guys, we're at the Louvre Museum right now. It's called Francesco Marmita, and it was made in 1496 or 1504. And if you can see, there's a painting, and it's really big. It has a woman in there and a baby. I'm guessing this is armor from the fabric, the chain fabric they're using. Yeah, it's armor. This is art from around India. to the sky.
I'm
So
gonna
when
have
you
to
guys
stop
come
this.
to this. You guys can see the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Enjoy. That was my ex.
Can we get off of here?
Non mais c'est sûr que il faut que je me... When we walked in, they started looking at us because they didn't know that black people actually traveled. Little did they know we're actually getting priority. First boarding. Now we're going to Milan. Hope it's not raining. Wow, we're really in Rome. It's crazy. The stuff you read about in the books.